Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to hide or display the Google Chrome bookmark bar. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is launched and you can see your main browsing window, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. You'll notice three vertical dots stacked on top of each other, which is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on these three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various browser options and settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, hover your mouse cursor over the option that says Bookmarks and Lists. When you hover over this option, a side menu will expand, showing you several bookmark-related features and controls. This is where you'll find the controls for managing your bookmark bar visibility, making it easy to customize your browsing interface exactly how you want it. Now, if you want to hide your bookmarks bar to create more screen space for your web pages, simply click on Hide Bookmarks Bar from the side menu. This action will immediately remove the bookmarks bar from view, giving you a cleaner, more spacious browsing experience. This is particularly useful when you're working with limited screen space or prefer a minimalist browsing interface without the distraction of visible bookmarks. To display the bookmarks bar again, whenever you need quick access to your saved sites, click the three dots in the upper right corner once more. Just like before, hover your mouse over Bookmarks and Lists to open the side menu. This time, you'll see the option has changed to show Bookmarks Bar. Click on this option and your Bookmarks bar will instantly reappear at the top of your browser window, giving you immediate access to all your saved bookmarks and favorite websites. And that's it. You now know how to quickly toggle your Chrome Bookmarks bar on and off whenever you need to adjust your browsing layout. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.